Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle. I've already solved three puzzles in additional of the Sunday additional. And in today's newspaper of Monday, February the 20th, 2023. I've already told you there's no additional, no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Saturday edition. Yes, it's the Saturday edition. Let me show you. Saturday, February the 18th, 2023. In this puzzle page, we have two puzzles left. The Sudoku with 2 stars and the binary with 2 stars. 10 by 10, yeah. The other puzzles I've already solved on Saturday. Yes. Okay, so let me continue with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle. It's a 2 stars puzzle, but is this really a 2 stars? Because I've counted all the printed digits. 28 printed digits. Should be a 1 star. But we will see if this is really a 1 star. But first of all, this will be 5995. Alright. So it has 28 printed digits. Should be easier than the 1 star, because the 1 star puzzle in additional has 27. And for 27 printed digits puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Yeah. Well, maybe 14 minutes. I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Can I just move this? Alright. So let's get started. Let me see. 1 1 8 8 8 3 3 3 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between, in the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the last column? No 5 there. 5 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Then 3, 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1 4 6. 1 4 6 1 4 6 1 4 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in this column, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the most. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 8. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Then, come on. 2, 2, okay. 7 and the 8. I need to think. Let me think. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 1. 2, 2. 5, 5. Come on. 3, 3. Need a 3 here also. 3, 3. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, okay. 5, 8 is also missing. 8, and the 7 is missing. 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in the first row. So no 7, 8 in this box. The 7, 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Disappear. 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 5. 8, 8, okay. 5, 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And we have a pair. The 3 and a 5 in this column. The 3 and a 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 164, 164, 164. 164. 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Alright. 6. Come on. 1, 1. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between and the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. Oh, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, in the third row. So no 8 there, 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. Now we have a 6 in the last column. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 8, 1, and 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row will be 3. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Here, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes and there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 and 8. We have an 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. And then the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Wow. Told you. Should be faster than 14 minutes. With 28 printed digits. Wow. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of the Saturday puzzle page. Yes, until then, bye-bye for now.